Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Classic CC lets you create presets from local adjustments. This can be helpful if you want to apply the same local adjustment effects to multiple photos. To create a local adjustment preset, use the graduated filter, radial filter, or adjustment brush to apply changes to a photo. Then select the Save Current Settings as New Preset command from the Effect pop-up menu in the tool drawer. The New Preset dialog box then appears. Type a name for your preset into the Preset Name text field. Then click the Create button to dismiss the dialog box and save your settings. The new preset then appears in the Effect pop-up menu, and you can easily apply that effect to other photos.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.